The quiet valley wakes slowly as sunlight touches homes, trees, and smiling flowers. Lumi, the tiny star creature, looks around with bright eyes and a happy heart. Lumi shines brighter whenever kindness fills the small glowing heart. Forest friends gather around Lumi and share laughter under the warm sky. Suddenly, the valley grows dim and Lumi feels the light fading away. The elder owl explains the star of kindness loses power without caring hearts. Lumi decides to travel far and bring kindness back to the valley. The long road stretches ahead, but Lumi walks forward with hope. Lumi finds a bunny crying beside a broken cart. Lumi helps fix the cart, and kindness makes the glow stronger. The path brightens as Lumi continues with a lighter heart. A lonely fox watches the river and feels unseen. Lumi listens kindly, and the fox smiles again. Night arrives, and Lumi rests while stars sparkle above. Lumi dreams of the star of kindness shining strong again. Morning brings new courage to Lumi's glowing heart. A tall mountain challenges Lumi's strength and bravery. Loose stones slide, but Lumi keeps climbing carefully. Lumi helps an injured bird and feels warmer inside. Lumi reaches the peak and sees the world below. A dark forest waits, filled with fear and silence. Lumi sings gently, and fear slowly fades away. Lumi finds lost children and offers comfort. Kindness guides the children safely back home. The star temple appears, glowing with ancient magic. The star of kindness looks weak and dim. Lumi shares collected kindness with the fading star. The star shines brightly again with powerful warmth. The star thanks Lumi with gentle glowing light. Lumi travels home with joy and peace. The valley wakes brighter than ever before. Friends cheer loudly and thank Lumi happily. The elder owl smiles with pride and peace. A new day begins with hope everywhere. Lumi teaches others the power of kindness. Small good deeds spread happiness across the land. The star of kindness watches proudly above. Lumi feels calm and complete inside. The moral of the story: kindness creates light that can change the whole world.